now proceed with our photo ops.
Ito pang narinig ko, Constitutional Assembly to extend the term of the incumbent politicians. That means, including the congressman. So, kung nakinig lang kayo sa akin before the midterm elections, I already said this in Cebu, I said this everywhere I went. Yung bangag na yan, ayaw bumaba. Kasi alam niya, pag bumaba siya, makukulong siya. We have to do more. We have to do more. We have to push harder. We cannot allow this administration to go beyond 2028. Lahat nga talaga na inayos ng previous administration by PRRD, binalik talaga ni Marcos. And look at what happened. We have never been more divided than ever before until this fucking president came into office. Pero sana nga, hindi aabot ng 2028 eh. Ano gusto nyo? 2028? Bukas.